Hello and welcome. Today we are here doing tutorial 7. I am going to be the driver and Sharon's going to be my navigator. Tutorial 7, we have a to-do app, and with our to-do app we are using React and Firebase. And in our Firebase, our Firestore database, we have two collections. Let me just open it. We have two collections here, which is our to-dos. That's where we're going to save our to-do list items. It's going to show us this is the user ID, so we can keep track of which user this to-do list item belongs to. This is the text of the item, like what are you saving as a to-do, and then this says whether that item is completed or not. And then after that we have our users, and with our users is basically just going to be the user that's doing this. And as you can see now in our collection, we only have one user, and we have a few items that are saved for that user. So this is what it looks like. I can show you the user that we already have. This is their login details, and then I can put the password here, and then I just click the sign in button. I click the sign in button. Yeah, it tells us signed in successfully, and then it takes us to our to-do list. And as you can see, we already have 3 items here. We can add a new one, and I can say something like this, and then I click add. It gets added here, and I can delete it if I no longer want it there. Or let me just show you that it gets saved into the Firestore database. You can see when I go to the Firestore database, we have something new here. It's going to be, yeah, there it is. That's the ID. It's not completed yet. I can change that. I can click on this, gets crashed out, completed becomes true, right? And then we have this logout button here. It takes us here. We can create a new email, right, a new user. And with this user, I'm gonna give them a password also, and then we can click the sign up button, and we have created the account successfully, and it logs us in automatically. And as you can see, we currently don't have anything in our to-do list. We go to users, you'll see there'll be a second user added. Yeah. Anyway, you can do this, and then you can say fix bug, right? And then it's here. It should show up in our collections. Yeah, there it is. We have fix bug here. Can complete it, delete it, and we can log out. And yeah, that is the to-do app. Are there any questions on your side, Sharon?
No, that was perfect.
Okay, thank you very much. See you next time for the final project. Bye bye.
Bye.